What's up, Vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must over here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make these crispy, delicious, beautiful ham fritters. Some ham fritters to your stomach. So here I have my ham and I'm going to just cut it up into itty bitty pieces, right? So I'm gonna slice it up and then I'm gonna do some little strips and from the little strips I'm gonna get to making those extra small. So I'm just trying to line up everything and then just slice away, getting some little itty bitty pieces. So I'm gonna show you. So I have a bowl. I'm going to put those in there that I've cut up before. Then these pieces now, I'm showing you that fat part right there. I'm cutting it off and throwing it away. Now, if you want to keep it and put it in your fritters. That is fine. So yeah, once we mince up everything, here it is. And looking so good. And here are the rest of my ingredients, flour, sweet pepper, just all the stuff. So I have like 3 cups of flour right here, and I'm going in with some chopped up scallion or green onion, some people call it. Here I have some sweet peppers and I'm going in with onion. I mince those up really fine, right? And then I am also going in with some Scotch bonnet pepper. These are minced. These are really fine too as well. And now I'm going in with the ham. Yes. So I put the amount that I want and now I'm adding some water. So the water, I'm going to take my time and add the water. So now you want to combine everything. Stir it up, stir. And then I'm going in with some more water again. So the thing is, Vibes fam, the consistency for this, I want it to be thick. Some people like their fritters batter to be really runny. Not me. So I take my time and I add the water, right? And now I'm going in with a little bit of ketchup. This look like maybe about 1.5 tablespoons, not much. And I'm going in with the rest of the ham because I didn't add everything. A little bit of salt, about 2 teaspoons, but you have to be careful with the salt. So taste the butter, and if it needs it, then add it. Here is some black pepper, and we're gonna go ahead and mix in everything, and that is it. That's the consistency. So now let's get the frying. So I'm adding some oil to my pot, and once that is hot, once you get it hot, let's drop them. So Vibes fam, it shouldn't be hot to the point where you drop them and they burn up. No, not like that. So I'm just separating them a bit, because sometimes some of the fritters will join up together. Yeah, them each on. So just separate them and then turn them when they have this beautiful golden brown color. So yeah, Vibes fam, now they are ready to be taken out. And on each side, maybe like 4 minutes. So these are super crispy, Vibes fam, like so crispy. Just love it. Look at the beautiful color. Look at the seasoning showing out itself. So these now, I am turning these over, and Vibes fam, you want to go ahead and make sure that you put them on paper towel so to absorb the excess oil. So I'm dropping the rest. So push those over that are almost fried. Push those over to the side. Look at how pretty they are. So yeah, Vibes fam, let's turn these over and take out the rest. So that is it, Vibes fam. That is it. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have this beautiful bowl of ham fritters. Yes. Just when I tell you them taste nice, Vibes fam, they are absolutely delicious. If you try it, please let me know. Give the video a thumbs up, please, and subscribe if you haven't already. And please turn on your post notification bell so you can be alerted when I post. Thank you. God bless you.